How to accept friend request on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, go to the Play Store application and search for Facebook application over here. So just make sure that you have the latest version of the application. As you can see, there is no option of update, which means we have the latest version of the Facebook application. So tap on open and it will lead us to the Facebook application. So make sure that you're logged into your account.
Good morning, doctor.
Next, what you have to do is just tap on the friend icon over here at the top of the screen. And as you tap on that, you'll be able to see different friends over here, suggestions. So all you have to do is just tap on the friend request option over here. And as you tap on it, you'll be able to see different friend requests. And you'll get two options, accept or decline or delete. And you just have to tap on accept and you'll be able to accept the friend request on Facebook. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.